Hi everyone, I'm really excited to share with you guys in this video my crafting haul. I received my papers from Sassy Scrappers. They are a fantastic online store here in Australia. They have a large range of all of our craft supplies and scrapbooking needs for all of our projects. They have a great range of our favourite brand names, coordinating papers, embellishments, crafting tools. So head over to their online store and have a look at their fantastic range of products. I'll put the link down below for you if you wanted to go and have a look at their store. And I'm going to share with you what I have received. These are, I've got a few different collections here. They are all 12 by 12 double-sided papers. Some of them have coordinating die cuts with the paper collection as well. I'll start with this one here. This one here is a Simple Stories Bloom paper collection. I really like this paper prints on this one. So I'll just quickly flip through and show you the papers. And this is a great autumn colour theme as well, I think, to use in your autumn theme projects. I love these large flowers on here. And that's the back. So this one again is a Simple Stories Bloom collection. This is another one. I got two of, oh no, not this one, but this one here. I got two of those because I wanted to use one in my projects, and this one here I wanted to fussy cut these flowers out so I could use them in my embellishments. So I think that's a great size to use. And that's the back. This one here is their 3x4 cutter parts. Again, great to put in your projects, and that's the back. And this one, I think it's their 4x6 cutter parts. So really pretty. And look at these lovely little flowers. I'll probably fussy cut some of these out as well. They always look great in your projects. And this here is their 12 by 12 sticker sheet with some word sentiments. Really lovely images on the sticker 12 by 12 pack. And this is their the Bloom ephemera pack of die cuts and ephemeras, which would be great and easy to add to your projects for that collection. And the next one I've got here is also the Simple Stories. It's their Spring Farmhouse paper collection. These are lovely flowers too. It's got some yellows and greens and peach colours. That's the back. Yellow is a lovely colour to work with too because it just pops out when you make your projects. And this is the other one. So I did get a few. These have got some cute little birds. I may even fussy cut these little birds as well. So I wanted to show you all the papers that I've received before I work on my project. So my next few videos will be projects and tutorials using these fantastic papers. This is a 4x4 cutter parts. I'll probably have be making a mini album, some embellished tags. So I haven't quite decided. I do have a couple of projects in mind with these papers, so you will probably recognize these papers in my next videos. This is their 12 by 12 sticker sheet. Cute little gumboot. These are just really lovely, beautiful. And then this is their coordinating ephemera pack of die cuts as well. And this one you get 50 pieces in the pack. It makes it easy when your papers coordinate with the die cuts, and then it's really easy to work with your projects. I have this one here. This is another fun one. This one is the Tangerine Stitch collection. Double-sided 12 by 12 paper. It's lovely soft flower prints with a peachy coloured background on that one. I ordered two of these. only because I do like the excuse me, the prints on the papers for that one. That's the next one. It's got some black. These are some cutter parts as well on their 12x12 paper. And that's the back. I can't wait to work with these papers. And this is the last one for that collection. So that's that one, and I have one last one to show you guys. It's probably one of my favorite paper brands to work with as well. I do have a few of these papers. It's by Cocoa Vanilla Studio. They make their paper prints are always so pretty. They soft colors, fun to work with as well. And I'll show you the ones that I've got here. And this is their More Than Words paper collection by Cocoa Vanilla Studio. Nice soft colors. And this is another one. This one's got some butterflies. Yeah, their prints are always really pretty, very feminine. This is their 3x4 cutter parts. See how soft the colours are. It's always nice soft blues and peachy colours with some whites and soft pinks. Look at this one. This is really pretty too. Love the prints on that. This is another one of my favourite ones. I love florals like this. Just makes your projects look really, really, really pretty. There are some more cutter parts. You can add these and cut these up and put them and make them as embellishments or for your tags or journaling cards. And they also came with some coordinating stickers. These ones have some word sentiments. This is really lovely. I really cannot wait to work with these. And then Cocoa Vanilla also has a Hello Lovely ephemera pack, which isn't part of this coordinating papers, but I've got this as well, which I can add these to these projects because the colours sort of work well with the that paper pack. And of course I can't go without my Prima flowers, so I did get some of these Prima flowers, these in these nice shabby colours. There's 6 pieces in there. I also got the blue colours. I did say in my other video I wanted to work with some blues, so I thought I'd get some of these nice blue tone Prima flowers and work with these colours as well. And that is my craft haul for this video. I just wanted to show you guys all of my fun papers that I've received before I start cutting them up and working with them, and then I will make some projects and I will show you in my next few videos on what I have made with these papers. And looking forward to seeing you all in my next video. Bye.